Listening to music is probably something you do every day. It's something that pretty much everyone does every day. When you're sad, you listen to music. When you want to get pumped to get ready for a workout, you listen to music. When you're in the car, you listen to music. And in today's world, a lot of people listen to music on streaming platforms like Spotify. But what if I told you that you can make money online by listening to music? Sounds great, right? Plus, you can do this from anywhere in the world, whether you're in Nigeria, Pakistan, the US, India, or even the Philippines, you can make money using this method. Just by listening to music on Spotify, you can make $260, $460, or even $900. Plus, there's no limit to how many times you can do this and how much money you can earn. Don't worry about having any followers on your account, you don't need them. Also, you don't need to make any referrals to make money this way. Plus, you don't need to invest any money to get started because this method is completely free. You just need a phone or a computer to get started. If you're interested in learning how you can earn big, just keep watching. I'm also going to share some tips on how you can max out your earnings, so pay attention and watch the whole video.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Today we're going to talk about how you can make money just by listening to music on Spotify. Curious? Well, just keep listening. Now I'm going to walk you through each step with creating an account on Spotify. Spotify accounts are completely free and you can use Spotify from anywhere in the world. Once your account is up and running, I'm going to show you a platform that you can use partnered with Spotify to help you earn cash. This website is a hidden gem. Not that many people know about it, and it's a really quick and easy way to earn cash. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Make sure to pay close attention as I walk you through each step because I'm going to share a few bonus tips along the way to help you max out your earning potential. You can earn as much as £800 or $1,000 per hour listening to music. Make sure to keep listening to find out more about this completely free hidden gem of a website that can help you earn big. I'll teach you the ins and outs of this website, so pay very close attention all the way to the end of the video. For starters, you're going to need a Spotify account, so head on over to Spotify.com or download the Spotify app to your phone from Google Play or the Apple App Store and then open it. To make sure that you're downloading the right app, you can look for this logo, and the app has over 20 million reviews. A lot of people listen to music on this app every single day, but most of them don't know that when paired with a certain website or app, they can actually make a lot of money. They use it every single day to listen to music. And as I mentioned earlier, this app is also available to iPhone users through the App Store, so just go ahead and download it there. I'm curious what type of device you happen to be using. Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you use an Android or an iPhone? So to get started, just go to Spotify, click over here, and then click on the sign up for free button. Once you click on that button, it should bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can either choose to sign up with your Facebook account or your email address. So just fill that bit of information in. And if you choose to use your email address, you're going to need to confirm your email and then create a password, which you can get really creative here. And also create a profile name, which you can also get really creative right there. And then put your date of birth, you can't get creative there. And then choose your gender, which you can't get creative there either. And then click to confirm that you are indeed not a robot. And then click to sign up for a free account. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of a free Spotify account. And once you have your account set up, you should be able to click over here and see what your profile looks like. And as you can see, there's a ton of music that you can listen to, and there are categories like trending now, popular new releases, popular artists, and so on. There's so much music on here that even your dog could find something that it likes. Now you're probably wondering how you're going to make money on here though, so I'm going to go ahead and explain that. I'm also going to show you the website that you can partner with Spotify to make money and how to get that set up as well. For now though, I'm going to walk you through Spotify. So say you want to listen to a certain song. To do that, you just click the image next to the song title and voila, you can listen to music. Just click on this button and you should be able to hear the music playing. Another thing that I want to show you is how to create a playlist. So there should be a button right here that says create playlist. If you click on it, you should be able to create your own playlist, and when you do this, it can actually help you earn a bit of passive income. I'm going to show you how you can max out your earning potential with Spotify though. For now, just keep Spotify open because we're going to come back to it. Now I'm going to show you a website where you can become a music curator and make a lot of money with the help of Spotify. To become a music curator, you just create playlists on Spotify that people can listen to, and then teamed with the website that I'm about to show you, you can make some cash. In a bit, I'll go over how to create a Spotify playlist because it's a really useful skill. Then once you know how to do that, you can submit your playlist to this site that I'm about to show you, and then you can be earning passive income for each listen. The more playlists that you create and submit, the more money you can make. As you can see here on the site, it tells you how many playlists you need to make to be able to submit and earn money. Pretty much submitting less than 200 submissions won't earn you anything, so you'll need to submit more than that. Once you hit the 200 mark though, you can be making some pretty big bucks. As I said, the more playlists you create and submit, the more money you can make. As you can see right here, the top submissions were able to make around £800, which is around $1,000 US. Plus, the money you can make on here is limitless, so you can keep making money over time. This website is actually relatively new, but it's very user-friendly, and even if you're just a beginner, it's really easy to navigate. To get started, just head over to musicgateway.com. Once you're over on Music Gateway, you're going to want to follow my instructions to a T because there's a part of the sign-up process that's a bit difficult. I'll show you how to sign up so that you can be making money today. Make sure you pay attention to each step that I walk you through and watch until the very end of this tutorial. So on Music Gateway, you're going to want to go to the top of the page and click on the link that says Submit Music. It should bring you to this page where it says Submit Music for Spotify playlists, music video distribution, new release review, etc. Underneath that, you should see a button that says Spotify playlist, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. Then it should say Submit Songs to Independent Spotify Playlists, and then you're going to click the button that says Song Submission. It should bring you to this page, and here you're going to want to scroll down. There's a part where it says, are you a Spotify curator, social media influencer, or a support artist? And then you're going to want to click Contact Us. From here, you can scroll down and click on any Apply Now button that you see. As you can probably tell, this website is legit, and by becoming a curator, you can get paid a lot of money quickly. So once you've clicked the Apply Now button, you're going to want to go ahead and fill in the information in this page. Now, don't worry because you don't need to have a certain number of Spotify followers to be able to do this. Anyone can apply. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the process right now. If you scroll down, it should say, if interested, please fill in the form below and we'll be in contact soon. So the first box is going to ask for your email address, so go ahead and just give them that. The next box should ask for your curator name, so you're going to want to go ahead and put your name in. And then it should have a drop down menu that shows countries, and you're going to go ahead and put your country in. Sometimes it'll automatically choose your country, so you don't really have to worry about this part. Under that, it asks Spotify playlist, YouTube channel, radio station, blog, or other, and you're going to want to click the box next to Spotify. Underneath that, it will ask for a link to your playlist, channel, station, or blog, and you're going to go ahead and give them a link to your Spotify account. It asks underneath that how many submissions you receive roughly each week. And if you remember what I said earlier, if you put a number lower than 200, you won't be making any money off of this platform. So you're going to want to go ahead and put a number in that's higher than 200. And if you want to go ahead and do this full time, you could put in a number like 1,000 or even more than that to be able to max out your earning potential. And then underneath that, it asks you what genres do you accept, and you can just go ahead and tick the boxes next to the genres that you like to listen to. So say you like to listen to pop music, you can go ahead and click the box next to pop. If you want to go ahead and do dance or EDM, alternative rock, hip-hop, adult contemporary, jazz, soul, or other. And if you want to be able to really max out your potential, you can go ahead and tick all of the boxes. Now underneath that, it asks what is your current social reach total. And in this box, you can go ahead and total all of the followers you have on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Spotify. You can go ahead and total that number and put it right here. And then it asks you if you want to go ahead and follow Music Gateway on Instagram, which you can either click yes or no. And then after that, it asks if there's anything else that you would like to add. So if there's any other information you'd like to add to your application, go ahead and type it in right there. And once you're done with all of the information that you need to fill in, you can go ahead and hit the submit button. So once you've hit submit, congratulations, you have now applied to become a music curator on Music Gateway. And you can go ahead and just wait for them to reply to your application. And once you get accepted to becoming a music curator, you can go ahead and submit playlists from Spotify and earn a lot of cash. So as I said, I'm going to go back to Spotify and teach you how to go ahead and create a playlist. So if you go to Spotify, scroll down and look to your left, it should have a create playlist button. So if you want, you can create a playlist based on genres, like what it asks for on Music Gateway. So if you wanted to create a pop playlist, you can go ahead and do that. To search for music, just go up to the top of the screen and type in pop in the search bar and then hit the search button. And as you can see below, there are tons of options of songs that you can listen to. There are hundreds and thousands of artists and genres that you can listen to. It's really diverse and you can take a dive into all the music that's right here. But to go ahead and create a playlist, if you hit the create playlist button, it'll pop up and ask you for a name for your playlist. If you want, you can do it based on the genre. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put pop genre as the playlist name and then hit the green button. And then as you can see, you've created a playlist right here. And for now, there aren't any songs on it yet. But if you want, you can go ahead and add music to get started. So a really easy way to be able to do this, and a hack that I love to do, is to just scroll down under the recommended list and go ahead and add all of the songs that are right here. Usually these songs match up with the genre that you're looking for, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click add for all of these. And now I have 20 or more songs that I have on my playlist right here, and that's plenty of music to be able to listen to. So once I'm done with that, I can just copy and paste the link of my Spotify playlist and then share it with Music Gateway and earn a lot of money. So this is a great way to earn money in your free time, and all you have to do is create playlists and then copy and paste, and you could be earning $1,000 or more with Music Gateway. So that's all I have for today.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.